Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. For those who don't know me, hi girl, my name is Bolokontamehlo and I'm a mother of three, and welcome to the channel. Please do consider subscribing, and yeah, just share the video if you enjoy it, and also give it a thumbs up. There are flies and my spray is finished. My Mortein spray is finished. I'm just like, these flies. Guys, I just wanted to show you the sale that is going on Pick and Pay, or at Pick and Pay. And those that are mummies and do lunch boxes, I know this will come in handy. And I wanted to show you, Pick and Pay has a 25 rand on juice boxes. Like this 6-pack juice box is 25 rand. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video before the grocery haul, but because it's not a detailed grocery haul, I think I should post this video first. So I got these and they are in different flavors. This one is Mediterranean nectar, and I got one. I got another flavor is the cranberry. So I got, let me tell you the flavors that I got. I got the apple one as well. I also got tropical. I also got, what's this? Yeah, I think these are the 4 flavors that they have. So I got one, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 11th one is open already. Kanya opened and he drank these ones. Just wanted to plug you guys, go there. The sale is ending on the 2nd of February. Please do not walk, run to Pick and Pay and go purchase these things, especially if your kids love them and they take them to school. Anyway guys, I wanted to do a small yana cook with me for my family. It's Sunday the 26th of January today, and mama is sick, but I wanted to cook a small meal, nothing hectic, and yeah. Right guys, let's vlog. Righty.
Sonabile sonwabile dale ngicinga ngawubusuku nemini dakwethu kwenzenjani phakathi kwami nawe ngicinga ngawubusuku nemini dakwethu kwenzenjani phakathi kwami nawe.
Stuck on you, got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I've been now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm just glad you stayed. Stuck on you, got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I've been now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm just glad you stayed.
I'm drifting away into the darkness. Ndizothatha umthwalo ndibeke enkolo mama, ubomi bunzima. I'll lift my head up high, open my eyes, and I will fly. I'm barely coping, I'm feeling closed in, looking up, hoping the heavens will open. Dali wezulu, dikhalela kuwe. Open up, open up. I'm feeling closer now. The light is shining brighter, but I'm losing my flow. Kudala, disiwa divuka, difuna noluthando, difuna noluthando. Difuna ubami buvume vunga manganya vunga vuleka 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 mazulu vuleka mazulu vuleka mazulu. Amina nawe ngigcwele ngiyakutshela, zange bangifaka umoya ngawe ngayifela. Mangithi ngiyaphuma ngiyofuna amasenti, kuze wena nomndeni wami mbedese. Dala ngikufuna ngayithemba, manje usunguwami inhliziyo ifudumele. Cela amaphutha ngalingasithesti, njalo manginawe ngizizwa ngiphelele. Ngithi uthanda mina, cela kungashintshi uyangisanganisa. Fana nawange kapi, amina nawe ngigcwele ngiyakutshela, zange bangifaka umoya ngawe ngayifela mangithi ngiyaphuma ngiyofuna amasenti kuze wena nomndeni wami mbedese dala ngikufuna ngayithemba manje usunguwami inhliziyo ifudumele cela amaphutha ngalingasithesti njalo manginawe ngizizwa ngiphelele ngithi uthanda mina cela kungashintshi uyangisanganisa fana nawangekaphi awumina nawe ngigcwele ngiyakutshela zange bangifaka umoya ngawe ngayifela mangithi ngiyaphuma ngiyofuna amasenti kuze wena nomndeni wami mbedese dala ngikufuna ngayithemba manje usunguwami inhliziyo ifudumele cela amaphutha ngalingasithesti njalo manginawe ngizizwa ngiphelele ngithi uthanda mina cela kungashintshi uyangisa.
So the kids just had noodles, and now I'm just gonna tidy up the kitchen and then do my mashed potato, and I'm gonna do my mashed potato, pumpkin, and then the kosu, and then we can eat. Let's tidy up the kitchen. When the oceans rise and thunders roll, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are King, the fly. I will be still, know you. When the oceans rise and thunders roll, above the storm, Father, you are King over the flood. I will be still. I will be still and know you are God. I will be still.
Kwalula, kwaze kwalula, kwalula, kwaze kwalula. Uthanda wena, thanda wena, uthanda wena, thanda wena. Kwalula, kwaze kwalula. Kwalula, kwaze kwalula. Uthanda wena, thanda wena, uthanda wena, thanda wena. Kwalula, kwaze kwalula. Kwalula, kwaze kwalula. Kwalula, kwaze kwalula. Uthanda wena, thanda wena, uthanda wena, thanda wena. Kwalula, kwaze kwalula. Kwalula, kwaze kwalula. Uthanda wena, thanda wena, uthanda wena, thanda wena. Kwalula, kwaze kwalula.
Darling, ngicinga ngawubusuku nemini dakwethu kwenzenjani phakathi kwami nawe. Itinga na ubusuku nemini Dawethu wenze njani Phakathi kwami nawe
Oshinjo gujwa